entertaining, and culturally educational. These are the few words to describe the experience at this year's staging of the Civil Heritage Expo held at the Civil Heritage Park in St. Anne. The Western Roundup team was there, and we bring you the highlights today. Stay with us. Some 4,000 students, teachers and parents converged on the grounds of the Civil Heritage Park on October 12, immersing themselves in a day of cultural experience, ranging from exhibitions, dance, art and music. The event was the 24th staging of the Civil Heritage Expo, held under the theme, Experiencing the Cultural Fusion.
The event is geared towards raising public awareness about diversity of Jamaica's cultural heritage and to motivate our students to take pride in our history.
It also seeks to highlight our national heroes in the hope that Jamaica's youth will take inspiration from them.
Today, the event will foster continued confidence in the achievements of our ancestors, current citizens, and encourage optimism for the future.
Teachers participating in the event welcomed the initiative as a tool to further enhance and bolster their teaching and learning processes.
It was very important for us to come because we believe that our Jamaican culture is very rich. We have a wonderful heritage, and the Civil Heritage Park is one of the best in the island, and so we wanted them to come and see what it's like to be out here, to see the Great House, to see all the displays, and to just understand and appreciate our history.
It's Heroes Day that's coming up, and I thought it was very important for the children to appreciate their heritage, particularly because of COVID. This event was not held for a couple of years, so it was really important for us to reach here.
For my 4-year-old children and my 5-year-old children, we do the heritage and we talk about the heroes, so it is best for them to come and see more than in the classroom. We just talk about them so that they could come and see pictures of our heroes and or other things of our heritage. Well, it's a fun-loving day.
Though mainly educational, the day was not short of entertainment and fun.
My favorite part was the music and the dancing and the pictures, because I like the history of Heroes Day. The dancing, because I love to dance.
I really like the performances that they put on the stage, and I found it interesting, and we also went inside of the Great House and I learned a lot of things. Today was very fun, and I hope I get to come back again next year or the next time they have a celebration like this.
The rides were also a big hit for the kids.
Today was awesome!
The Ferris wheel, because we got to spin around and around.
Today was fun, wonderful, and I enjoyed myself.
The event also featured exhibitions from stakeholders who were themselves impressed with the event.
As you know, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, what we do, we really reassure and we protect. So we serve, protect and reassure. And with this vast number of students that we have in our space in St. Anne, I deem it a pleasure and a privilege to be a part of it. Now we showcase what we do as JCF. So we are here to let students know how they can be a part, or they can become a part of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. So we are here to show them, to introduce to them the process of going through the recruitment. I deem it a pleasure because for what is happening in school now, we need to capture them and to get them on the right path.
Exhibitors included the Nigerian High Commission, Jamaica National Heritage Trust JNHT, Bank of Jamaica BOJ, Dolphin Cove, the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF, the Jamaica Information Service JIS, Rural Agricultural Development Authority RADA, UNESCO, and Phoenix Health, among others.
I think today the goal was met. When I look at the students and see their faces and see that although people used to say that history is a subject that they don't like, we can see from the excitement on their faces that we package it in such a way that although we are teaching, we give them some excitement. Hopefully next year it will be bigger and better, and we will have more activities and we have more input from the Jamaican public.
The 320-acre civil heritage site boasts a museum and heritage education center, which displays a wide array of artifacts and ruins. They provide an accurate and comprehensive representation of our Amerindian, European, and African foreparents, their individual cultures, and how these cultures interacted.
That's all for the program today. As usual, thanks for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobay@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, take care.